Dick Rochfort here. We've leveled off at 1-2000 in the Piper Meridian, correction, the M600, and the drill is pressurization. And we're just demonstrating that a differential pressure of 5.2 will cause some discomfort if we dump the cabin, but it's perfectly safe should you have smoke in the cabin
Chicago Center,
and need to dump the pressure.
Have a beautiful weekend.
Beautiful weekend.
Thanks.
I'm going to turn her down just a little bit, so I have the radio, so don't worry about that.
Tuesday, 5223, Chicago Center, Roger.
All right, so we got a pulse oximeter reading of 94%, which is certainly okay.
Good morning.
And now what we want to do is dump the cabin as if we had smoke in the cabin and had to respond to that. All right, so lift the cover with your right finger here on the pressure dump and press that button. Take your hand away now. That's it. Now, it's getting cool in here, and you can see that the cabin is climbing, and we're getting a little mist. We're also getting an altitude check above 10K, so we're going to acknowledge now that, and now we have the warning and the caution, so we'll do that. So we should have done this at 11, my apologies. So what we notice here is your pulse oximeter rating is going down. It's down to 87. So if a dozen eggs is 60 cents, how much is 3 eggs? 15 cents. Not bad. Now get the oxygen behind you, pull it out, and just put it right to your face. Grab the red buttons and pull it straight out. And don't worry about anything else, just put it straight to your face. No, put this back up where it was and just put it straight to your face. Breathe deeply through your nose. Slowly, 4 seconds in, hold it for 2 seconds, 4 seconds out. And it'll take about 4 breaths. And if you do it nice and slowly, in through your nose, and out through your mouth, you'll get maximum benefit. This is a chocolate or vanilla? Which flavor is that? That oxygen? Chocolate. Chocolate, okay, good. Now you're back up to 99 and now 100. So you see the oxygen really does the job. It brings the lights back on. I'm going to close this dump valve so that the cabin will repressurize, go below 12,000 and quit, the auto enunciators will quit. All right, so we lost the above 12 red one, which has an aural alert that can't be silenced. And we now have the 10K, which is yellow. So you see that's coming back down. The rate of descent is 2,000 feet a minute. The differential pressure is coming up. Destination elevation, of course, hasn't changed. But as this goes green again, we'll go ahead and continue our climb. But for now, we want to wait for that to come up a little bit. But you see that oxygen does the job.
Yeah.
All right, just a few things about the mask I want to point out. This is for Chuck Yeager and anybody else who wears a face mask on their helmet. It allows gas to get up inside that helmet to prevent condensate from forming on the inside of the faceplate. You have a microphone in here, which is controllable with the mic aux button. We can take this off now. Point to that mic aux button for me. That's it. So it's in the boom mic, which is the one on your headset. But if you wanted to talk with this mic here, you would switch that. Test 1 2, test 1 2. So put it back, please, because otherwise, you sound like Darth Vader. You have 100% in the detent, and that's the way you want to store the mask. In the event of an emergency, you want the 100% until you can adjudicate what the problem is and decide whether you want makeup gas or not.